iQuant app. The pros, the cons. iQuant is a financial analysis and stock research platform designed for active traders. But is it suitable for your trading style? Starting with the pros. First, comprehensive market data. iQuant offers real-time stop quotes, charts, and news updates to help users track market trends. Second, predictive analytics. The app uses quantitative models to provide trade insights and forecasts, assisting in smarter decision-making. Third, portfolio tracking. Investors can monitor multiple accounts and performance metrics in one place. Now, the cons. One limitation is steep learning curve. Beginners may struggle to interpret advanced analytics and models. Another drawback is subscription costs. Full access to premium data and insights requires a paid plan, which may be expensive for casual traders. The surprising truth: many traders overlook the importance of data-driven analysis. iQuant's predictive tools can give a significant edge when applied correctly. In conclusion, the pros: real-time market data, predictive analytics, and portfolio tracking make iQuant ideal for serious traders who rely on data. The cons: learning curve and subscription fees mean casual investors might find it overwhelming.